Today, we've got some major news for Internet Computer ICP because it seems like a major signal is about to flash soon. And if you are holding ICP right now, this could be very massive for the price because this could lead to a price explosion and not many people are even aware of this one. So today in this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about this recent signal that's about to flash, what we could expect for the ICP Internet Computer price, what are the levels to look out for, the possible bullish and bearish scenarios, and much more regarding this signal. So if you're holding Internet Computer ICP, you don't want to miss this video because we'll be talking about something many people are completely overlooking right now. So today we are inside the longer daily time frame, and right now we are looking at the daily time frame MACD. So keep in mind this is a daily time frame, so this is a much longer time frame compared to the 15-minute time frame or the hourly time frame. This is the daily time frame, so meaning this the indicators we're looking at right now could take a much greater effect for the price, if you know what I mean. So today we're about to see the MACD in the daily time frame have a bullish cross where the blue line crosses over the red line. Now, this isn't entirely the signal we need right now because this is only one indicator, and to confirm that we are indeed right now looking bullish, we should look at other indicators as well and other confirmations. We should look at the RSI, we should look at the price action, and much more. But right now, one indicator in particular is flashing bullish, and that is again the daily time frame MACD, where the blue line is about to cross over the red line. And this is usually bullish because we saw this happen before. When it did, we saw a nice pump towards the upside. But right now, we are seeing this bullish cross take place below the histogram, which is much more bullish because it is showing that we are seeing a shift in the momentum. We are seeing a shift, or we are seeing the bullish momentum start to kick in once again. So this is definitely something interesting to look out for. So what am I expecting right now? Well, obviously I'm not calling for a pump immediately, but this is again something really interesting to look out for because this is right now indicating that we are seeing a shift in the momentum from bearish to bullish. So the confirmation I'm waiting for right now is in the next couple of days or weeks. It would be very, very important to see Internet Computer ICP have a successful break above $15.4 and flip that to support. Because once we do that, once we break above $15.4 and flip that to support, then the next target is located at $23. So if we do break above resistance right here, which is a blue zone, we could move to the next target essentially at $23, which from the price right now, that would, wait a second, that would be a 70% pump towards the upside. And that is if we do meet the confirmation of breaking above this resistance at $15.4. So yeah, in the next couple of days, just be warned though, this is still acting as a resistance, so we could also potentially see ICP move to this resistance and get rejected and move back to the downside. But the interesting thing right now is also in the daily time frame, we are seeing right now a trend line right here, which is acting as support for the ICP price. You can see this trend line has supported the ICP price multiple times as support, which is a good sign because at some point we will be seeing a squeeze right here for ICP between support and resistance. We are going to be seeing one day, eventually we're going to be seeing ICP have a squeeze between support and resistance, and it's going to gear up for a massive move either to the upside or to the downside. My thesis or my expectation right now is I'm expecting a break to the upside because again, everything right now in the crypto market has flipped bullish. We're seeing Bitcoin break above previous all-time high. We are seeing the Bitcoin having come into place. Everything is starting to flip bullish. We're essentially way over the bear market territory. So right now it's going to be very, very logical to assume we're going to be seeing a break to the upside as a more probable scenario rather than a break to the downside. But of course, I'm not disregarding the fact that we could also break to the downside. So if we do break below this trend line, If we do break below this trend line, expect ICP to dump to this next support right here, and that is at around $9. So from the price we're at right now, that would be a 30% dump to the downside. So be aware of this. But again, like I've said, I think it's more probable that we're going to be seeing ICP consolidate right here between support and resistance and have a break to the upside. That's what I'm expecting. But of course, I could be wrong. So none of this is financial advice. But right now in crypto, we're talking about probabilities. And in my case, I believe that it's more probable that we're going to be seeing a break to the upside because, again, everything is flipping bullish in the crypto market. There are many indicators flipping bullish. And of course, one of them for ICP in this case is we're about to see a bullish cross in the MACD. So this is something interesting to look out for. And I'm not expecting a pump immediately, but I'm just saying we could be seeing ICP just shock us out of nowhere. Where people least expect it, we could be seeing a break up to the upside, hold this to support, and then boom, we're going to pump to the upside. So what I'm trying to say right now is just be cautious, stay cautious, watch out for the price, because this may catch many people off guard. But if we do move into the weekly time frame, everything still looks bullish. We had this nice pump to the upside in the weekly, a nice consolidation. And now it looks more reasonable that we're going to be seeing a next leg to the upside to $23. And then if we do break above $23, our next target is $36 and so on. So these are my respective bull run targets for ICP. So interesting price action. It definitely looks bullish. And yeah, comment down below if you feel bullish for ICP. If you're holding ICP, do you have some ICP? And what are your price predictions? And also, if you guys are wondering where I'm trading right now, I'm trading on Blofin.com, and I'm potentially looking to open a long position once we do see a break above resistance. And if you do flip that to support, I would definitely open up a long position right here and ride that to the upside as a quick scalp. And I'm going to be taking profits immediately. But yeah, do sign up on my Blofin link in the description and claim your $30 bonus today. And also watch this video on the screen right now.